In AutoCAD MEP, there are two ways to create an electrical project database, which track panels and circuits for a project. The first way is to use the Electrical Preferences in the Electrical Project Database tab. But you can also create the database when you add a panel to a drawing. To begin, first check your workspace. Set the Electrical Workspace Current. From the ribbon, Home tab, Build Panel, select the Panel tool. Place a panel in the drawing. A warning dialog about the database will appear. This is what associates a drawing with the database. From here, you have two options. The first is to create a new EPD file. So if you skip this step when you were checking the electrical preferences, you can click Create New Now and specify the location and the file name. For this exercise, create a new folder under the Live Green project folder and name it Resources. Once the Resources folder is created, create the CH5 Live Green Power Panels file. After the file is created, the interface returns to the drawing. From the ribbon, Manage tab, Preferences panel, click Electrical Preferences. During a project, if you need to edit settings for the electrical project database, you can use this tool to make changes. A couple of rules about the EPD file. If you move the electrical project database file, use Preferences to change the file location. Panels and devices will lose this information if the file isn't where it's supposed to be, but they will be fixed once the file location is created. Never attempt to edit this file with Notepad or any other application. You can also define additional backup copies for the EPD file when editing preferences. And make sure you back this file up with your projects. Now that the database is defined, you can use the Circuit Manager to create your electrical systems.